Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of opt. Make a choice from a range of possibilities. For example, consumers will opt for low-priced goods. American pronunciation. Opt. Opt. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Opt. Say. Opt. Opt means make choice from range of possibilities. Opt. Opt. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. On her latest, Stone opts for original material, with mixed results. Now, repeat after me. On her latest, Stone opts for original material, with mixed results. The second practice. Parents opting for single-sex schools take other factors into account, though. Now, repeat after me. Parents opting for single-sex schools take other factors into account, though.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.